Understanding Recipe Roundup, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, Recipe Roundup. This term might sound a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. Whether you're an English language learner, a cooking enthusiast, or just curious, you're in the right place to understand this term thoroughly. The term Recipe Roundup is quite popular in culinary blogs, cooking shows, and food magazines. But what exactly does it mean? A roundup, in general, refers to a collection or gathering of things, often presented in a list or compilation. Therefore, a recipe roundup is a collection of recipes. These recipes are usually grouped together based on a theme, ingredient, occasion, or any other unifying factor. For example, a recipe roundup might feature 10 quick vegan dinners, or the best holiday desserts. Recipe roundups are popular for several reasons. Firstly, they provide a convenient way to discover new recipes. Instead of searching for individual recipes, you can find a curated list all in one place. Secondly, these roundups often come with additional information like tips, nutritional facts, and personal anecdotes from the author. This makes them not just informative, but also engaging and personal. Now that you understand what a recipe roundup is, let's learn how to use this phrase in a sentence. Here are a few examples. I found a great recipe roundup for summer salads on my favorite food blog. Can you recommend a recipe roundup for healthy breakfast options? The holiday recipe roundup in that magazine has some fantastic cookie ideas. Using the phrase in different contexts will help solidify your understanding and improve your conversational skills in English. Thank you for watching today's video on Recipe Roundup. I hope this explanation clears up any confusion and adds a fun, culinary term to your English vocabulary. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video, and happy cooking!